Okay, Bob, what do we have here?
We have a 1967 Shortbed International pickup with a 392 4-speed transmission. This came out of Northern California and was used in truck pulls in Northern California and Southern Oregon. We've got a big history on this one.
Looks like it was restored at one time.
Yes, and the family kept it good because they did compete in the county fairs. Very good runner. Can go down the freeway 65 easy.
Super, why don't you pop that door, please? He says a 4-speed?
Yes. 4 and 4.
Great. Great, Bob. Well, thank you. Anytime, Bob.